started taking dance really seriously from the age of about 16. I'd done ballet and tap when I was younger, but when I got to 16, I found street dance and I absolutely loved it. The reason I really loved it was because I was obsessed with like hip hop music. So that was giving me the motive to want to dance to it all the time. And yeah, and find my style. So that's when I started. I think it was more of a case of like, rather than like knowing that I was good at it, just more so enjoying it so much that I think that people could see that in me when they watched me dance. So it then made them happy and made them smile. So I didn't think it was ever a thing where I was like, oh, I'm really good at this. It was just like, I can bring joy to people through dancing, enjoying it myself and allowing them to enjoy it as well. Towards the age of about 17, when I was thinking, okay, I need to go and like train in this properly now. And I would just see dancers dancing behind music artists. And I just think, I want to do that I can do that. So at that point, I think I realized that, yeah, I want to do this as a career. I had no idea that it could be a career. All I knew was that there were dancers like on Top of the Pops or things like that dancing behind artists. So I figured that there must be a job out there somewhere that I could get potentially doing that. My course was a ballet and contemporary course. So I think it's really important for all dancers to get their foundations in technique because it kind of just underpins everything. So yeah, I went there for 3 years. For me personally, my contact time at uni was minimal, which allowed me to go out into the actual dance studios in London to train in things like commercial and street dance and things like that I actually loved. So for me, uni was definitely kind of the labor of the technique, but it kind of underpinned everything else I was able to do in the future because I'd done that. So I'd say to anybody who potentially hasn't got the funds to go to a dance school, because I didn't, then go and log online. That's all you need is a Wi-Fi connection and you can honestly make it happen. You can put yourself out there, you can get connections, you can network, and you can train yourself that way. I know a lot of dancers who have literally trained from YouTube, so you can do it. There's no limitations if you want to do it. The only limitation will be yourself. So if your head's in the game, just go and get it. So the proudest moment I've had as a dancer was booking an Artist World Tour. That was at the top of my to-do list as a dancer. And not only that, I was blessed with the privilege of choreographing it as well. So to be a dancer and a choreographer on an Artist World Tour was the biggest responsibility, but the biggest blessing ever. It was absolutely incredible. We toured with the band Bring Me the Horizon for over a year, all over the world, all different countries, and it was just the most incredible experience. We danced at places like Glastonbury, BBC Radio 1, Lollapalooza, a huge arena in Tokyo, Saitama Super Arena, supporting Baby Metal. It was just incredible. I think you definitely, obviously you need the physical side, the talent, but that's something you can work on that. Like if you're not naturally into it, I know some of the most successful male commercial dancers I know started late, started at 18, 20, you know, not from the age of 3 in ballet classes. So for me, what you need is the drive first and foremost, and the want to learn and progress. Like you're always a student with dance. You'll forever be training in it. So I think the mindset of knowing that you have to make that commitment to the career is what will see you through right to the end. I think I maybe just would have trained more in styles that I wasn't like obsessed with. So like try doing a little bit more. Obviously when I was younger, I did tap and things like that, but I just moved away from it because I didn't resonate with the music and things like that. But I think it's so important in this industry to be so well-rounded, so versatile. So I think that I probably just would have taken a bit more time doing styles that maybe I wasn't so keen on, but just that would help me underpin my future technique as a dancer. Don't allow Instagram to consume what you feel about yourself as a dancer. Like, just know yourself, don't worry about anything around you. Use it as a platform to promote yourself and like an online CV, but just where we're at the moment, just honestly get in that training. It doesn't always have to be put online, you can just do it yourself and just really, really commit to improving, and just stay focused on it. Allow it to still bring you joy even when it turns into a job, when it turns into work. Still just be so grateful that you can do basically your hobby as a job and income. And for me, that never gets old. Like, that's Kid at Christmas for me every time I get a job. So just keep that fire alive and don't let any external things kind of diminish that fire within you.